Do you like cows? No, I'm not referring to liking cows in a filet mignon, juicy cheeseburger kind of way. I mean, have you ever been concerned with what a cow might be thinking about? Whether it's having a good day or if any of them might be related to those cows in the Chick-fil-A commercials. Unless you raise cattle or you're a 4-H'er, I'm guessing not. But that doesn't mean you won't have a cow when you hear what Pete is up to now. Last spring on an Illinois interstate, a truck driver hauling 36 head of cattle lost control of his rig and 16 of the animals died. Now the folks at PETA want the state to erect an official roadside memorial to honor the fallen bovine. Hey, I'm not heartless. I'm sure those cows felt pain and fear, and this is always the thing about livestock and trucks, they weren't on their way to Branson, Missouri for a Dolly Parton concert. They were on their way to becoming dead meat anyway. Look, I'm not a PETA hater, and if animals can be killed for mass consumption in more humane ways, fine. But signs memorializing dead cows to remind truckers that they're responsible for living things? What's next? Cow seatbelts? Thankfully, no state is kowtowing to PETA's demands right now because obviously it's utterly ridiculous.